Milk Frother Handheld Battery-Operated Coffee Frother for Milk Foaming. Latte Cappuccino Frother Mini Frappe Mixer for Drink. Hot Chocolate. Stainless Steel Silver. The most professional milk frother. Basecent battery-operated milk frother create rich creamy froth just like the professional baristas. Whether you invite family or friends, froth foam for your coffee, or send as a gift to your friends, we guarantee our milk frother will be the best maker of thick, creamy and delicious froth. The fastest handheld coffee foamer. This mini battery-operated frother is portable for traveling, home and office. With the double steel whisk and the super motor, 21,000 RPM, this coffee frother machine can froth foam in as fast as 12 seconds. Besides, it also can be used as stirrer for hot or cold drinks as well as frappe, and as small blender for cocktail, milkshake, hot chocolate, soup, or even as eggs whisker beater. The most durable and safest coffee frother. The whole body of Basecent battery-operated handheld coffee frother is made of food-grade, stainless steel, as well as the double steel whisk. The stainless steel design will also keep the coffee frother clean. The best design for using and washing. By pressing one big button on the top of the milk foamer, it will start to make milk foam right away. The detachable design will help you wash the whisk faster and easier than other designs. After washing, simply put it upside down and stand on the table, as the button is designed to be big and flat in order to support the standing. The best product guarantee. We are confident of this milk frother and know you will love it. Just in case you are not satisfied with the product, you are allowed to return it for a 100% refund of your money for 3 months. So, what are you waiting for? Order it today. And we will send you a free milk frothing pitcher, 12 ounces 350 milliliters, and electronic coffee recipes. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.